All right, so now for this one, it says which statements are true about this particular piecewise function. So I'm going to graph this real quick, and then we'll try to figure out what is true. So let's do it. Let's graph it. So for x less than 2, we have the function 1/2 raised to the x minus 2. For x greater than or equal to 2, so we'll say x, oops. Oh shoot, I'm all over the place. So here we are, we're gonna say x greater than, oops, oh, I kept hitting, or equal to 2. Our function is, oh wow, x raised to the third power minus 9x squared plus 27x minus 25. Okay. So this is our graph. Let me take a little screenshot of that. That's a little wonky. There it is. Now let's go through and just check things off the list that apply to it. Which ones are true? As x approaches negative infinity, g approaches positive infinity. So what they're saying is as we go this direction on the graph, in other words, we're going to go this direction. When we go to the left, which way does this point? Well, it goes up, which is positive infinity. So guess what? That works. Okay. As x approaches positive infinity, g of x approaches positive infinity. So same question, but now we're looking this way. As we follow along the graph to the right, as I follow along this graph to the right, what does it seem to be doing vertically? It's going up towards positive infinity. So we could check that off the list. Is g continuous? Yes. In other words, the two functions meet up at the same point. It includes an exponential piece and a quadratic piece. No, this is a cubic. It's x to the third power, so that's not true. G is increasing over the entire domain. No, that's not true because here it's decreasing and here it's increasing. So it's not over the entire domain. And that's it for that one.